Welcome! Today I'm showing you how to change battery info into your ALCATEL 1S 2021. First of all, open Play Store and find Ampere application, this one. Click install, wait, downloading and installing. Then click open. Click no thanks or yes I agree, close. Okay, and on the first page we got full information of our batteries, so our status, level, healthy, max capacity, temperature and another. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.